Okay, so let us take the first example. पहला एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं ट्रायल बैलेंस टोटल मेथड. सो वी नाउ नो व्हाट इज टोटल. ओके, टोटल हमें पता है, हर लेजर अकाउंट में जाना है और टोटल, डेबिट साइड टोटल और क्रेडिट साइड टोटल. अब ये ध्यान रखना है ये बात को कि द डेबिट साइड 35,500 you will take, credit side you will not take 35,500. Why? Because total of credit side is 35,500 minus 7,500, because that is this entry क्यों किया गया है, ताकि जो ये जो है इस पे एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करके टोटल को इक्वल किया जाए. Right? So the total, the real total of the debit side and the real total of the credit side, ये लेकर के we have to put in the trial balance. वो करना है. ये टोटल मेथड होता है, मैं आपको पहले से बता देता हूं. दूसरा मेथड होता है बैलेंस मेथड होता है. ओके, जिसमें सिर्फ आप बैलेंस you will show in the trial balance. एंड थर्ड होता है टोटल एंड बैलेंस मेथड. मतलब you show total as well as you show balance. I've already discussed this. And smart is to show total and balance. As simple as that. Whatever the user जो trial balance इसको use करना है, whatever he wants, जो चाहिए. You want to look at the total, you look at the total. You want to look at the balance, you look at the balance. You want to look at both, दोनों देख लीजिए. तो स्मार्ट तो ये है, बट जनरली आप टोटल मेथड सिर्फ फॉलो कर सकते हो, बैलेंस मेथड सिर्फ फॉलो कर सकते हो, या फिर टोटल एंड बैलेंस मेथड. थर्ड, थ्री थिंग्स आर देयर, थ्री मेथड्स आर देयर टू क्रिएट ट्रायल बैलेंस. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है, गिवन बिलो इज अ लेजर एक्सट्रैक्ट relating to the business of X and company as on March 31, 2016, you are required to prepare the trial balance by total amount method. बस यहाँ पे it has given total amount method. चलिए ठीक है. And how many accounts are there? I can see three accounts here: cash account, furniture account, or salary account. Three account, and I have also put so many accounts here. यहाँ पे I think I am coming in between this. I am coming in front of this Ram's account, but I will excuse myself when we are talking about Ram's account. But you can see, okay. So then we have Shyam's account, purchases returns account, and then we have Ram's account. We have sales account, we have sales returns account, and we have capital account. So how many accounts are there? Here 3, and here 4, 7, and here we have 3, right? Total 10 accounts are there, right? 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 accounts are there total that we have to take care of. No problem. Total method we have to use. I have given the two extra columns, but let us say forget about that, these balance columns are not there. So when we are talking only about total method, we are only going to talk about the totals. Okay, so serial number, we find out the first column is cash account. So that is what we are going to write, cash account. Okay, cash account. So cash account, what is the total this side? 35,500. What is the total this side? So you cannot take balance carried down, you only have to take this much. And we have discussed this example. Here 35,500 and here 35,500 minus 7,500. So it will come around equal to 28,000. Okay, fine. So cash account. First is cash account. And total on the debit side is 35,500. Total on the credit side is 28,000. That's it. Nothing else. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then finally we leave space for total. Good, no problem. Let's go. देख लेते हैं क्या है. Furniture account में you see furniture account started with 3,000. There was nothing on the credit side. Nothing got added. So 3,000 on the debit side, nothing on the credit side. Total. So total 3,000 on the debit side we will take, nothing on the credit side. Correct or not correct? Correct. So furniture account. Okay. Debit side 3,000. Credit side nothing. Fine. So I can just, if you want, I can write like this also. How about salaries account? So salaries account, clearly you see two cash account 2,500, but here it is carried down, so it is the balance thing, forget about it. So 2,500 on the debit side, nothing on the credit side again. Salaries account, Okay, so third account is salaries account. 2,500, nothing on this side. Good. Comes Shyam's account. Look at the Shyam's account. Cash account, purchase returns account, balance carried down means this one is less, this one is more. Credit side is more. How much is the credit side? 25,000 rupees. How much is the debit side? Less, 3,500 less. That is what is the case here. So that is 21,500. Correct? 21,500 on the debit side, 25,000 on the credit side. Shyam's account. Okay? Shyam's account. $21,500, 25,000. Okay, fine. So that Shyam's account is taken care of. No problem. Let us look at purchases account. In purchases account, where is the balance carried down? On the credit side. Everything is balance carried down. So there is nothing here. Everything is on the debit side. How much? Debit side 26,000. Total is 26,000. This side nothing. Purchases account. So fifth is purchases account. 26,000 and 0. Okay. So purchase account is done. Purchases returns account. On the credit side 500, on the debit side 0. Purchases returns account. Okay. Purchases returns account. Let's have a quick look. Again, credit side 500, debit side 0. So find that. Okay, so now comes Ram's account. So can you see Ram's account? Ram's account, I will try to stay in the middle. So we have to sales account 30,000, and on the other side there is a balance carried down by 4,900. Okay, so now we understand what's going on here. So definitely on the debit side in Ram's account there is 30,000. So let's just first of all do one by one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ram's account. On the debit side there is 30,000 going. Okay, so debit side it is 30,000 total, but on the credit side 4,900 is the difference. So you could say 25,100. Okay, so 25,100 on the where? On the credit side. Fine. Okay, so now let us look at sales account. So sales account, all the sales account on the credit side 30,500, and there is nothing on the debit side. So sales account 30,500. Okay, sales account 30,500, nothing on this side. Fair enough. Sales returns account 100 this side on the debit, nothing on the 100 rupees only. Fine. Sales returns account. क्या है भाई? सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट कितना है? इस तरफ 500 रुपीज है, इस तरफ कुछ भी नहीं है. करेक्ट? नहीं करेक्ट, सॉरी. उतना भी नहीं है, उतना भी नहीं है, जस्ट 100 रुपीज है, बस सिर्फ 100 रुपीज है. चलिए, और लास्ट बता दीजिए कैपिटल अकाउंट. अब कैपिटल अकाउंट में आप देखिए 10,000 रुपीज है इस साइड पे, कैश अकाउंट में 500 आया, बैलेंस जो है कैरी डाउन कितना हो गया? 9,500. मतलब इधर 500 है और इधर 10,000. क्रेडिट में 10,000 है और डेबिट में सिर्फ 500 है. कैपिटल अकाउंट देख लेते हैं. सो कैपिटल अकाउंट में इधर है 10,000 रुपीज और इस भाई साहब ने 500 रुपीज जो है ओनर ने जो है वो निकाल लिया है, लगता है कैश अकाउंट से कैश निकाल लिया है. ठीक है, सो 10,000 इधर आ गया, 500 उधर आ गया. तो ये हो गया अपना टोटल मेथड, सिर्फ टोटल जो है हमने डाला है डेबिट साइड का क्रेडिट साइड का फॉर ऑल द लेजर अकाउंट, दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन, नथिंग मोर. Easy? Okay, fine. So now what is the final thing that is pending? Final thing is pending is that you have to do the total of the both side, debit side and credit side. क्यों करना है टोटल? ये करने के लिए कि भाई ठीक ठाक से ये जो अकाउंट है जो आप बता रहे हो मुझे, ये सारा का सारा जो आपने बनाया है लेजर अकाउंट जो आपने बनाए हैं, ये सही में सही है क्या, कहीं पे कुछ गड़बड़ है, कहीं पे कुछ मिस्टेक है. तो वी विल ऐड. When we add both the sides, looks like that we are going to get 1,19,100. Similarly, here also we are going to get 1,19,100. Match kar raha hai. It's matching. So reasonable accuracy in preparation of the ledger accounts ये हम मान सकते हैं. तो ये हो गया आपका, क्या हो गया भाई? Given below is a ledger extract relating to the business of X and Co. as on March 31,000, 2016. You are required to prepare the trial balance by the total amount method. अब इसी को अगर हमें कहना होता है कि भाई नहीं टोटल अमाउंट मेथड नहीं है, बैलेंस अमाउंट मेथड से जो है इसको आप बनाइए ट्रायल बैलेंस. ओके, बैलेंस अमाउंट मेथड से. तो बैलेंस अमाउंट मेथड से अगर हमें बनाना है तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे? द क्वेश्चन, हाउ विल वी मेक इट यूजिंग the balance method. So clear, we have to only take the balance. Balance लेना है सारे accounts का. Okay. So what is the balance? Let us look at the, let us go to the cash account first. What is the balance? So cash account का balance, you can see that on the, यहाँ पे you see on the credit side, we are having to add 7,500 rupees in order to do the total, which means this, that the debit side is bigger than the credit side, is higher than the credit side, is more than the credit side by this amount 7,500, which actually is going to go here and say that to balance brought down in the cash account. How much? 7,500. So there is a debit balance in this cash account of how much? 7,500. So now that's what you are going to do. On the debit side, you are going to put 7,500. Nothing on the credit side. Gone. Furniture account similarly. So furniture account has nothing on the credit side. If you go back and look at the furniture account, there is nothing on the, so it is going to go to later on. That is what it is going to do. Balance brought down how much? 3,000 rupees. So you do that and you are going to find out that you are going to write 3,000 rupees. Now slowly you will find out that if you have done total, from total itself you can find out. So here you are going to write on the debit side to 2,500 rupees, and then Shyam's account is interesting, so let us look at Shyam's account. In Shyam's account, this side there is a balance carried down 3,500. So this is going to go this side to balance here, sorry, here by balance brought down. How much? 3,500 rupees. So on the credit side, 3,500 rupees is what you are going to write when it comes to the Shyam's account. Similarly, look at the purchase account. Only one entry is 26,000. So you are going to put 26,000 on the debit side. Here one entry only on the credit side, 500. Here Ram's account is again interesting. So look at Ram's account. Ram's account mein there is 30,000 this side to sales account, and there is actually 125,000. So 25,100 this side. So the total balance is 4,900, which is going to go towards the debit side. Correct? So then you can say that hey, 4,900 is what is going to sit here on the debit side. So 4,900 is what I'm going to write. Fine. And similarly, there is nothing on the debit side on sales account, so we are going to write 30,500 here. Here there is nothing on the credit side, so we are going to write 100. And here you can see basically for capital account, the difference is 9,500 on the credit side. So that is what you are going to write. And then finally, we are also going to do the total in the case of debit balance and credit balance. So the total, when you do that, you are going to get 44,000 this side and 44,000 this side. That's it. So this one, so in this particular case, when you are asked to create a trial balance based on किस चीज पे? सिर्फ balance methods, total method से नहीं. Then you only take the balance, these two columns, and then you do the total at the end. They should match. Happy. The trial balance is matching. If you are asked total method se, then you should take the total amounts. Now you have to be clear, the total in दी लेजर अकाउंट, टोटल वाला जो आता है ना वो इक्वल रहता है, तो वो इक्वल नहीं, जो कि दोनों साइड का रियली जो बैलेंस कैरी डाउन को हटाइए और फिर डेबिट और क्रेडिट साइड का जो है वो टोटल लेना है और फिर उसको वहां पे लिखना है, ठीक है, और उसका फाइनली ऐड कर देना है। और किसने अगर आपको कह दिया कि भाई ऐसा देखो मुझे टोटल और बैलेंस मेथड दोनों से, मुझे टोटल एंड बैलेंस मेथड, देन फाइनली यू विल एक्चुअली क्रिएट, जैसा अब यहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ है, 4 columns: debit balance, credit balance, debit total, credit total, and then you will do, normally you take totals first and from there itself you can derive what is the balance. Okay, so good example to start with, एक अच्छा example है start करने के लिए। हमने देखा खूब सारे ledger accounts देखे and we took the ledger accounts and then we put the total entries against each ledger account and then found out the total of the debit side and credit side. फिर एक बार बैलेंस भी हमने देख लिया दोनों साइड में और वो जो है उसका भी टोटल कर दिया। तो टोटल मेथड मतलब सिर्फ 2 कॉलम, डेबिट टोटल क्रेडिट टोटल। बैलेंस मेथड मतलब सिर्फ 2 कॉलम, डेबिट बैलेंस क्रेडिट बैलेंस। टोटल एंड बैलेंस मेथड मतलब 4 कॉलम्स, डेबिट बैलेंस क्रेडिट बैलेंस डेबिट टोटल क्रेडिट टोटल, एंड देन यू गो टू ईच ऑफ दीज अकाउंट्स, लेजर अकाउंट्स, वहां का जो डेटा है लीजिए एंड यू पुट इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस स्टेटमेंट। ठीक है, fine. I hope that you like this example. This is a good example to start with. So let us solve a couple of more examples. कुछ और example, 2 example और solve करते हैं. Okay, fine.